Agree to all. If it is your first time here on this channel, please don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you will notify next time I drop. Please like the video on this channel, Injection Football TV. So the news that I'm updated new today's dates. Kaizer Chiefs are looking to signing a midfielder Nhlanhla Mgaga from Stellenbosch. Are looking to sign a creative midfielder Nhlanhla Mgaga on a free transfer ahead of the new season 2024 to 2025. Negotiations between the two parties who have taken place. Confirmation will be made as soon as signing with the club if successfully. So if you are new here on this channel, please don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification while you notify next time I drop. Please like the video.